Hi everyone, welcome back to our 30 days JavaScript coding interview questions series. This is day 3. Today we are going to find a non-repeating character in a string. Means if in a string we need to find out which is the non-repeating character. Okay, without wasting much time, let's jump into the program. Let me create a simple JavaScript function. Find non-repeating character. Call that function straight away. So let me pass a string maybe like A, B, B, C, C, D. In this, A is repeated, B, B, C repeated, C is repeated, D is not repeated. So we need to find out which is the non-repeating character. So since we are passing here, we will receive it here. Okay. So first we need to find out how many times that particular string is repeated. So for that, let me create a simple object const count map, going to be simple object. Now what I am going to do, I will be iterating through this given array and I will count how many times that particular string is repeated. So to iterate through, we need to create let char of str. So this will iterate through the given array, given string. Now so count map of char equal to, so if it is exist, count map if it exists that one, or 0, then I will add 1. So if it exists, it will take that particular value, otherwise it will take 0 and get added 1. So I'll just log this count map and see what is the output for this. We have created an object, A repeated twice, B repeated twice, C repeated twice, D repeated only once. D is not at all repeated, it is only once. Okay. Now we need to find out whose length is 1. So to do that, I need to do one more iteration for let char of str. Now if count map of char is equal to 1, that is a non-repeated character. Return char. Otherwise return null. Means if we didn't find any non-repeating character, it needs to return the null. Okay, now const result equal to console.log result. There you go, we got D. maybe if I add f in the middle, the first non-repeating character we are finding. Okay, that's all from this video. So what we did, let me repeat it once again. We are passing a string, we are iterating through that string and finding how many times each string is repeated, which will be stored in this particular object. Then in the second iteration, we are finding that particular property's length is 1 or not. If it is 1, we are returning that particular character. So this is how we can find out non-repeating character in a given string. Once again, we have not used any built-in methods of JavaScript. We have used only for ops loop. Okay, if you have any questions, please do let me know. If you want me to take up any other JavaScript coding questions, please mention in the comment. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.